Visilite is a simple video editing app designed for quick edits and easy video management. It allows users to trim clips, adjust video length, and organize media libraries without complicated tools or heavy editing steps. This tutorial outlines the basic functions of the app. What the app does: Visilite provides core video editing tools, including trim, cut, and preview options. It also includes library management features such as folder creation, renaming, deletion, and sorting. The app is intended for users who need fast, straightforward video editing without advanced features. Steps to use the app. First, install and open the Visilite app on your device. The main dashboard displays all saved videos in one place. Scroll through your library and select any video you want to work on. Tap the video to open it. In the editor, you will see basic editing tools such as trim, cut, and preview options. Select the Edit or Trim tool to start modifying your video. Use the timeline slider to adjust the start and end points. Drag the handle to remove unwanted sections such as pauses, mistakes, or extra clips, keeping only the important parts. Preview the EDTAD video before saving to check timing, smoothness, and overall flow, making changes if needed. Return to the library section to manage your videos. Here you can create folders, rename files, delete unwanted videos, or sort them to keep everything organized and accessible. Reopen any video at any time for further editing if required. Finally, save or export your edited video to your device's gallery. The app will process the file and store it in high quality for sharing or other use. Limitation: Visilite is best suited for quick, basic video edits such as trimming clips and organizing media. It does not include advanced features like transitions, effects, color grading, or multi-track editing. Users needing professional-grade video editing should consider more comprehensive software. Conclusion: Using Visilite involves selecting a video from the library, trimming it with the timeline slider, previewing the result, managing files through folders and sorting, and exporting the final video to the device gallery. The app focuses on simplicity and speed for basic video editing tasks.